Hi, it's Roger from Kosovo. We have many customers they asking about 10-meter catamaran boat, the standard feature. So you can see on behind of me, this is a 10-meter catamaran, which is finished painting, and we call it standard feature. So now let's jump on the boat to see the basic feature, the standard, what it looks like. Follow me. You can see the side is being painted and polished. So this is the standard included on the position. And this is steel cradle, it's included for this position as well. And when we see two-tone painting, the white color is another painting color. It can be also the features. So now let's go inside to see the very basic boat. You can see the whole deck is being painted on white color. See on the side, all the interiors is already being painted. And the window, this one is option for $800. And then you go inside. All these interior finish by the aluminum welding. These are including in the position for the boat bell hull. Then for the standard features, another very important is all the front windscreen, the side sliding window. These are the standard included. So when you're asking about the basic bell hull plus the painting plus the windscreen, so this is very basic features. And all in interior we have made this all with aluminum. So what you do, if you want to do the DIY work, you put the sink, the fridge, storage, the sofas with cushions, and here for the tables. The front dashboard, you can be customized by cutting by yourself. And the front, the standard features including this aluminum door with aluminum frame. So this for the two cabins, this the toilet, this for the sleeping cabin. So you can be customized by yourself. So if you want to do more options, we can be installation as well. So this is about the basic. So if you have more questions, please contact me on the YouTube or send me by the email or WhatsApp. Thank you. Bye bye.